Today's word of the day is ayo. In Cebuano Bisaya, the word ayo has different meanings depending on how you use it. First meaning, ayo is like saying knock knock in English. It's an expression you say when calling someone inside the house or a room. For example, ayo, ayo, dili na. It's like saying knock knock, anyone home? Second meaning, ayo means to fix or to repair something. For example, mag-ayo mi sa balay ugma. Third meaning, if you repeat it, it becomes ayo-ayo, which means to pretend fixing something. For example, asa man si Mark? Tua, nag-ayo-ayo sa iyang bike aron makalikay sa sugo. Please note that ayo-ayo is also used to reduce seriousness, to avoid sounding like I can really fix it. It gives the idea of I'm just trying to fix it. For example, nagunsa man ka diha? Di nag-ayo-ayo ra ko sa akong bike. Fourth meaning, ayo can also mean to got repaired or already repaired. For example, naayo na ang akong bike. Fifth meaning, ayo-ayo can mean pretending to be nice. For example, nag-ayo-ayo na siya nako karon kay naa may tuyo. And finally, number 6, ayo-ayo is like saying take care in English. For example, ayo-ayo sa imong biyahe. Ayo-ayo sa imong biyahe. And that's it for ayo. For more examples and explanations, kindly check the description below. This is Luna. Hangtod sa sunod.